Affiliate marketing is a dream come true. It's easy. You don't have to invest large sums of money to get started. You don't have to create your own product. You don't have to deal with customers, refunds and all those headaches. You don't even have to have a website. All you need is a phone and an internet connection. And you can easily make 5-6 figures. But hold on a minute. I read over and over again on the internet that 95% of affiliate marketers fail. Why is that? If it's so easy, if it gets you rich so fast, what's wrong with it? This is what this video is about. Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to succeed with affiliate marketing. I myself am making 4 figures with affiliate marketing, and it pains me to see how many people struggle with this business model. So we're going to look at why people fail and how you can succeed. Let's go. So let's start at the beginning. Quick recap, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is connecting people who need something with the thing that they need, right? It's something really that many of us do without even realizing it. Whenever you recommend a good restaurant or recommend a new pair of shoes or make any recommendation whatsoever to someone, you are really doing a form of affiliate marketing. But obviously, if you're doing this for business, you recommend products, solutions to people who need them, and when they make a purchase, you then make a commission on the sale. As you can see, it is simple and it requires very little investment because you are not creating the product, you are simply promoting something that already exists. Now, I personally think that the very simplicity of affiliate marketing is actually what makes most people fail in the first place. It is so simple in a way that it's portrayed as something extremely easy. And therefore, people go in with the totally wrong expectations, expecting to get rich very quick with doing very little work. And this is where most people fail. For success with affiliate marketing, you absolutely have to go in with the right mindset. You have to treat it like a business. Yes, it's simple, but it requires work. If you go in with the right mindset, if you go in with this long-term mindset that you are building a business and that it will take you time to get results, then you are not going to stop after a few weeks because you're not making any money. That's my first tip. Go in with the right mindset. Now, the second reason why affiliate marketers fail is they forget to build their own business. Now, while it's absolutely great that you don't have to create your own product, you don't have to deal with customer returns and services and all this kind of stuff, the problem is if you send people directly to the product, you are not building your business. You are basically giving traffic to someone else who's created a product. You are building their business. So my tip number 2 for success with affiliate marketing is you've absolutely got to remember at all times to build your own business. So how are you going to do that? You are going to create content to build up your own audience, your own authority online. And the second thing, very important, you are going to be building your list at all times. How do you do that? You need to capture people's email addresses so that you have a growing database of people who have seen your content, who want to learn from you and who you can contact, you can grow a relationship with and make relevant offers in the long term. That's my second tip for success. Don't forget to build your own business as well as the product creator's business. Now, the third reason why I think affiliates fail is that they are focusing on the wrong things. They make the whole thing too complicated, too difficult. So what do you need to focus on for success with affiliate marketing? You need to keep it super simple. You need to focus on 4 core areas. And I didn't make that up. My mentor explained this to me. And when I understood this, it was a real light bulb moment. So what are these 4 areas? Well, it's simple, really. Traffic. You need to be in front of your ideal customers. Capture, as I said in point number 2, you need to capture some of this traffic to build your business. Relationship building, you need to build trust with these people who are your potential customers. And offer making, you need to make them relevant offers that will help them with their problems. You really need, for success, you need to focus on these 4 areas over and over and over again. So that means turning up on one platform where you are getting your traffic from every single day, if possible, or at least very, very, very regularly. Capturing, always, having in mind that you need to capture this traffic. So have a good lead magnet to capture email addresses. And you really need to have that in mind all the time. Build your relationships all the time. Make sure that you are somebody who is honest, transparent, who really people can start trusting as you grow online, and make relevant offers, make good offers. Don't just promote any kind of junk, right? Promote products that you yourself have tried and tested and that you know will help the people you are talking to. Now, the 4th reason why I see people failing, and I know because I did this myself, is people are trying to be in too many places at once. So by that I mean in the first area of focus, which is traffic, people are trying to be on too many platforms. They're trying to master Facebook, they have a blog, they have a podcast, they have a YouTube channel, they're on TikTok, they're on Instagram, they're on Clubhouse, they're answering questions on Quora. They're doing too many things. And when you start affiliate marketing, typically, most of us are doing this as a side hustle. We're doing this alongside a 9-to-5 job or alongside a very, very busy family life, whatever commitments we have, right? It's impossible to be in all these places and master all these sources of traffic properly. And I think this is the biggest mistake that I see after the mindset mistake that I talked about in number 1, right? But it's that people think, and as I say, I was like that too, but when you start, you think you have to be everywhere. And you think that the more places you are in, the more you're going to be seen. But the result really is that, we don't master one source of traffic properly. And this is the downfall of many, many affiliate marketers, because it leads to burnout, it leads to exhaustion, and it doesn't bring results. If you focus on one single platform as your main platform, and you start knowing it inside out, and you build authority on that platform, then you are going to grow way faster than if you're focusing at the same time on 5 different platforms. And as you grow, you are going to start getting results. That is going to be encouraging, and that's going to motivate you to continue. You're not going to give up. So that really is a big tip for success. If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, pick one platform, grow on it, learn it, master it, get better and better on this platform. You will have way better results than if you're on 5 or 6 different platforms all at once, and you won't burn out. You will stay the course, right? You will not give up because you're exhausted. So go ahead, pick a platform and start turning up on there every single day. Okay, the next reason why most affiliate marketers fail is they don't follow up enough and for long enough. most people will not buy straight away, which is why you have to capture people's email addresses. Then you have to make them build this relationship with them and make them regular offers. Now, many people send 5, 6 emails, and then if they don't get a sale, they just give up. But most people will not be ready for whatever reason to buy right away. So now a percentage of people will never buy from you, obviously, but many people will buy further down the line. Big email marketers say it takes on average about 3 months for people to make their first buying decision, right? So, you've got to keep, as an affiliate marketer for success, you've got to keep in mind that people sign up to many email lists. People have a lot of choice nowadays if they want to buy something, whatever niche you're in, by the way. So you've got to take time. You've got to turn up in their email box, give them value, build relationship, promote products that you know will help them. And you've got to do this over and over again, no matter whether they buy or not. As long as they stay on their on your email address, as long as they don't unsubscribe, it means that they're interested in what you are offering. So don't get discouraged, please. Carry on emailing. Have a long-term view. Just accept the fact that as an affiliate marketer, you are going to have to email people very regularly. This is part of the job that we have as an affiliate marketer in a way. You can delegate it. If you have the funds, you can, hire someone to do it for you. But this has got to be part of the things that you focus on. And you have to, you signing up for the long term with this. So this has got to be a weekly, if not daily practice. Weekly you have to write emails. And that just mustn't stop in a way, ever really. So have a long-term view with that. Follow up, and you will see success. Now, my last bonus reason why people fail, in my opinion, is they try to do it all on their own and they don't have the right support, the right accountability, and the right training. I feel very, very strongly that affiliate marketing is just sold as I said in the beginning, an easy get-rich-quick scheme, really. And sometimes the courses that you are sold that claim to teach you how to do affiliate marketing, that come with a very, very high price tag, are actually not really teaching you things properly. And really, building an online business can be very lonely. There is a big learning curve to it. And if you don't have the right training and if you don't have the right support, then very quickly, most people are going to be lost. There are a few who, like me, are very stubborn, right? For years, I didn't have the right support and the right training, but I'm very, very stubborn and I just kept going. But it's kind of rare. So I really think this is a big part of people failing, because on the one hand, they are sold this model that's supposed to be extremely easy and that's going to get you results very fast. Then they're sold some courses that are usually very expensive, that promise them results fast. But then what happens is they're not given the right level of training, coaching, accountability, review of what they're doing, of their work, right? They're given very generic training and advice. What you really need is feedback on your work, on your actions, right? You need to be able to write your emails, give them to coaches and tell them, look, are these emails okay? Or do you think I should tweak them? You need to be able to say, look, this is my strategy. I'm planning to be on this platform, to publish that many times a week and to do this. Do you think this is good? You need to be given more than just generic advice. You need to be given personal advice, right? Because you're building a business. This is a serious business. So when you're building a business, you need to have a proper business advisor. That is one thing that will really make a massive difference. And I think way too many people try to do it on their own. And by the way, I really want to say, I'm not saying that people are not willing to invest money, right? Because I think that you can invest a lot of money, but absolutely not have the level of coaching that I'm talking about. And similarly, you can invest less, but if you invest in the right program, the right course, the right training, the right community, then you are going to get that level of accountability and of feedback. And that is what you need for success. So, in summary, if you want success with affiliate marketing, if you don't want to be in the 95% who fail, if you want to be in the successful affiliate marketing, you need to, 1, go in with the right mindset. 2, never forget to build your own business as well as sending traffic to the offers that you're promoting. Number 3, focus on the right things. Keep it simple. Don't focus on too many things, but make sure you focus on the right things. And as I told you, these are 4 areas of focus: traffic, capture, relationship, offers. Then number 4, be laser focused on what you are doing. Don't do too much. Don't do too many things at once. Focus on one platform, master it, and grow on there. And number 5, don't forget to follow up. Be in for the long game. Really, really follow up with your customers. And bonus tip number 6, make sure that you have the right support, the right accountability, and very regular feedback on the action that you are taking and on the results that you are taking, so that you can make sure that you are taking your business in the right direction, that you're taking the right action. If you do all this, I am absolutely convinced that you will have success with affiliate marketing. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. If you want to get my free training on how to start with affiliate marketing the right way, just click the link below this video, officialsophieby.com, and you'll get my free training, and you will then get the experience of what it's like to land in my inbox, and you'll see how I build a relationship with you, right? If you have any questions at all, please post them in a comment below this video. And last but not least, if you like this video, you will probably enjoy this one next. It was way more controversial. Bye for now.